riding is about attitude and having fun. Am I right? So it don't matter what in the world it is you're riding, you gotta enjoy it. And sometimes you gotta start from scratch and learn from the beginning. Have you ever seen a circle wheelie?
Bubba Jumps! Bubba Jumps!
And whatever comes our way, yeah, I'm gonna make it happen. Take the world and help
Mr. Bubba Blackwell!
Yeah, Bubba!
How about that, guys? Thank you. Guys, I tell you what, it's doggone windy out here.
Don't be afraid.
The plan is to jump over 10 of these semi-trucks. I'm not really sure what the plan the wind has for me. So I thought if you guys didn't mind it a whole lot, I'd start out at 7. Maybe do 7 several times. We'll take a look and see how the wind's acting on that Harley-Davidson motorcycle. And if everything feels okay and the weather decides to cooperate, we'll go for it.
Oh, yeah!
It's been an absolute blast to be in Fresno the last week. It's amazing the big hearts of all these people in this town. There's a lot of things going on, and the main thing is, absolutely, the people that are financing this event, they don't care anything about their exposure or their sponsorship. All the money raised is going to Terry's house. And I think that's pretty darn awesome. Multi-world record holder. The machine Bubba is riding is a Harley-Davidson XR 750. It is the same model that the great Evil rode throughout most of his career.
Make sure you're heading to Bubba Blackwell Stadium right now. It's about to start. Followed by Tommy Castro Band.
Yeah!
Can you see her?
Fired up. When he was at a little more speed, he was coming a little hotter. Come on. All right. Put your in. Yeah, he clearly. I think I'd like to jump over 10 trucks today. semi-trucks. Wow. All right, Fresno. Once again, the American Daredevil with a beautiful jump over 10 semi-trucks. Give it up for Bubba Blackwell! What do you think, Fresno? Did you like that? Woo! You know, I was down there trying to decide if I wanted to call it or not. I kept looking at that flag. This is a tough enough game without that working against you. But one more, there's always that guy. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed that. Thank you so much for coming out and supporting Terry's house. Thank you for supporting an old motorcycle daredevil from Alabama. Very much tough jump. Well, the wind is a tough part. The jump's bad enough. You don't need nothing against you.